where have you been? I've been looking for you since the morning. What happened? Where are you being so quiet? Bro, I've been having some very bad dreams these past few days. Something. See myself in King as less and other times I get lost in a forest. So you had dreams like that too? Bro, did you have dreams like that too? But how is that even possible? But how can we will have some dreams? I don't know, bro. We need to uncover this mystery. I don't, bro. But I once heard but a place called Manipur. Where don't we go and find it? I be a great adventure and it make our summer's vacation unforgettable. What is the secret of Manipur? Looks like I have no choice. I can't hide it from them anymore. Bro, what is that? Are your hand? It's a time travel orb. It can take us to the past, the future, and even to Manipur. The place where you saw that dreams. Actually, you saw Manipur in the past, not in a dreams. If you guys really want to go there, I can take you there. But there is a danger there. What kind of danger do? If you touch or change anything there, their future called change and we might get trapped there forever. The choice is yours. No bro, it's better to go there once and find out them wonder about it every day. Alright then we there stand by side me. O magical orb, take us back to Manipur in the year 1800. Bro, are we in Manipur? Bro, where are you? Bro, where are Gaurav and Deepu? Oh, this looks like a market. Uncle, what is this place? Is this Manipur?
Where are you, kid? Where are you abusing me? You're not planning to leave me, are you? Hey, Shamla, come here and hold this.
Okay, I am safer. I need to pin my friends quickly and get out of her. Otherwise, the king her might lock me up in the dungeon. I have to find them. Brother will get water her. Where did my friend go? There is no water her. Maybe I am helpless. ये क्या? यहाँ पे तो पानी नहीं है, शायद मुझे गर्म हो रहा है। Stay her mighty on friend. I need to find cool place quickly. I told my friend, but they did not listen. Nowhere to find them. I look for them there. Bro, where I look for them now? Oh, now I am back in the jungle again. Where can I find them? Bro, where you me? We been looking for you. Come on, let's go home. I am starving. Wait, what do you mean you were gone? Weren't you? I am searched the whole jungle for you and you show up now. 5 hours searching for you and you ask me where was? Yeah, the ball is gone too. What got lost? How is that possible? How will we get home now, bro? I definitely go. Come with me to the place. What will we do there? Actually, before you come,
I showed this somewhere, but I don't remember where.
think carefully. Where did you say this?
Yes, I remember I say this with the king of Manipur.
Where is this king? We have to go there and get the ball. Then we can do home. Yes, let's go, bro. Yes, bro. Let's go. I am thirsty. Need water. Bro, go. Yes, bro. Let's go. Wait, what happened, bro? There could be soldier here too. We won't go from her. I take the back route because if we go this way, we could get cottage. There may be guards there. Guards are everywhere in place, so we won't go this way. I go through the back. Come on, bro. Let's take the back way. Come on, let's go. Greeting Majesty. No majesty, we are not intruders. Actually, it's our magic orb place. Return its way we roam for away.
I don't have your or entered us.
No majesty, you are leaving, you have our or.
Gods, throw these banners out.
Yes bro, yes bro. Yes, okay, bring it quickly. I am hungry, let's eat. I eat all this. Bro, he get us killed.
There interlurs thieves, 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 thieves.
Who's there?
That sounds like ducking.
Run, 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 run.
Hurry bro, hurry. Magical ball take me to 2026. Yes bro, we are home again. Yes bro, home again. Hello everyone, thanks you for watching the video till the end. If you liked it even little, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe please, and like and share. Thank you.